Today it's Monday, February 3rd, 2025. Derek, did you charge the battery? Alright, okay. Put also, put on the continuity there. The Golf, MK6, the BWA, first start. It's still without intercooler. You see that's missing the intercooler over there. Hey, that's the condenser, that's the radiator over there. It's missing the intercooler. They have to fix the intercooler, and they have to fix also one pipe from the external to throw it out, to dump it out. Alright. This will gonna be the first start. The guys, they have put oil inside, they have put coolant inside. Now, when Mr. Derek is ready, he's gonna fire it up. Derek, I'm pausing it until you are ready, alright? You are ready to crank it? Yep. Oh, if you are ready, crank it. Fire up. I'm waiting for you. Mr. Derek. Should I pause it until you are... Yeah. Alright, you remember about the first start? Yeah, wait, because it's dead. We have electricity here, there is a positive. I don't know here if it's missing any fuse, to be honest. It looks a little bit empty, to me at least. Alright, it's running on a standalone ECU. The thing is that we try to make ignition on and it's not even making ignition on, nothing. It's not locking and unlocking the car. Alright, good luck. Let's see if we're gonna find the why. Alright, let's see. Mr. Derek. He closed the door, he closed the window. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Start it. Now it's locking and unlocking. We changed one battery on the key.
What happened now?
One mirror is closed, one mirror is open.
So what has to do with that?
Stop, push the video, push.
Oh boy.
You don't know how to start a car?
Put the third gear and push it. It's automatic, but never mind. Let's go to see again. We cannot start it, yes, but we can crank it, right? It does have the downpipe?
No.
You have the exhaust?
You have a downpipe? No exhaust.
The oxygen sensor, why it's hanging there?
If they are not space to put over there.
There's no space.
But they have to open again.
Alright. At least we can see the oil level until we figure it out. Okay, Derek, crank it. You have to keep your finger there. No downpipe. Alright. Turn it off, turn it off. Start it once again. Check the oil level, coolant went down, I see. Alright. You bleed it with a vacuum, right? Yes. Alright. Have it, check everything, check also the oil level. Then they have to fix the downpipe and a couple of other stuff. Oxygen sensor is there, hanging. Did it warm up? Yes, it did. Yeah, it warmed up. Nice. Ah, boy. Alright, that's it. Over and out. Now, when they fix the exhaust, when they fix the intercooler, the charge pipe and so on, then if I remember and if it's here, I'm gonna make another video. Otherwise, that's it. Thank you. You cannot hit so many things because of the downpipe, obviously. It is what it is.